guys, I'm going to ikea this morning. Come with me, guys. Okay, I arrived an hour 30 minutes early. I didn't know they opened 10 o'clock, and I was already there to 9, thinking they would open by 9. So that's it. Anyways, I thought to have my breakfast because the restaurant opened an hour before the time, or 30 minutes, I can't remember. This is Swedish language, guys. So I decided to take my breakfast, and that's it, guys. So follow me. Can't believe, guys, that I paid almost 10 euros for this. So finally, they are opened, and I decided to go in. I want to do some renovation in my house and in my apartment, and I want to buy sofa, center rug, center table. I want to paint. Hopefully, I can paint before Christmas or maybe next year. I want to buy light and some other things though that I need for the house and all that. So that's why I came here. I'll be checking on Poco, ECSL and Auto online to see. So here I'm looking for sofa, but I didn't like the one I saw. They are not the type of couch that I like. Sofa, couch, what's the difference? I don't know. Please write it in the comment section if you know. So this one, I sat on it. It was not giving me that comfortable, that comfy. When you sit on a chair to look like executive, no, it was not giving that. So this center table, there's one particular one that I really like, but then it was above my budget, so I just have to leave it. I like this two-piece. I don't know if it's center table. I don't know what it's used for, but I liked it. Please let me know in the comment section if you know what this is. I really like it. I don't know going back to buy it, but what is it used for? So this wardrobe is my kind of wardrobe, but it has no mirror, and I love this wardrobe. I have to leave it because I don't have space for extra mirror. I also like this one. What do they call it? I don't know the name, but I'll be buying one for my corridor. I'll maybe put a flower vase on it because my corridor is really long. This rug, oh, they had good rugs, amazing ones I really like, but the one I wanted to buy was a bit heavy, and carrying it from that place in the bus to the house is too much, so I'll be going there with a car in another Saturday to get it. So these ones are the pad for bed, your mat, your bedspread, and cover for blankets. Yeah, I got this yellow one, and getting home I found out it was too big. Well, it's okay. It's better it's bigger than when you get it and it's smaller, if that makes sense. So I needed some light as well. If you remember, when I moved there, I bought one light in my living room. It was quite expensive, but then I had a guest that sat on it. Well, I cleaned it and I left it on the sofa, and somebody mistakenly sat on it, so that was the end of it. I'm looking to buy a new light, and even in my children's room to get another light as well. But then the ones I'm seeing here is not something that I like. This one is fine, but it will gather dust. It was on sales 39.99 from 59.99, I think. I touched it, but I found out that this one will gather dust. I will have to be cleaning it every week. I don't have energy for that one, so I looked further for other ones, and no one really. I didn't really like anyone here, Sha. So be checking on East L as well for leather chair. This is the light that I got before. It was really nice, oh. But whenever I want to film, I will have to remove it so that the light will be bright. So I will not be getting that. I'm very particular about my living room light because that's where I film most of the time. So thank you guys. Drop your comments and see you guys on my next one. Bye.